everyone. Welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my crafting studio. Today I thought we would just sit and talk a little bit and I'll show you what I've been up to lately and we're just going to jump right in. All right, so I hope everybody has been doing well. I actually just returned from a cruise with my daughter. So it was a girls' cruise, which was really, really nice because I haven't vacationed with my daughter in probably 20 years. So no, not 20 years, 15 years though. It was when she was a teenager was the last time that I got to go on a cruise with her. So it was nice that it was just me and her. And we had an excellent time. We had so much fun on our cruise. We went to a place called Baja Bay, and it's at the Baja Mar Resort in the Bahamas in Nassau. And it was so much fun. It's like we had the whole water park to ourselves. It was great. So anyway, we just did that. We hung out. We had lots of fun. I got really, 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 really super sunburned. Now it's turning into a dark tan, but my skin still hurts. And that was with sunscreen on. So anyway, we did have a good time. And I was just going to show you some things that I've been working on, mostly for my shop. Excuse me, I don't know why. Probably because I came back to the dry climate from the humid climate. So my voice is going to go. What I was going to say was I've been working on mostly things from my shop. And I made these really, really cute, like they're little double shot glasses for moms. Let's see if I can zoom in here and show this to you. Right there. So it has the picture of the mom, and then it says mommy juice on it. So these are so cute, and they come with a little straw. So I made these for my shop, and also for my daughter and I for our trip. They're so cute. I absolutely love these. The other thing that I have done is I made this really neat cup. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. Go. These are glitter tumblers, and I made this. It's Sublimation. It's a 40 ounce, and here's the handle. I got the extra handles for these. I sell these, actually. I can put any design on these, and I sell them for $50. The flowers I actually did put on here, but this turned out so incredibly beautiful. This was for our trip to the Bahamas for our cruise. And it says, "Get in, loser, we're going to the beach." I really, really love it. So just really fun and cute. And now what I'm working on are these. These are 20 ounce glow in the dark tumbler mugs or tumblers. And I have 2, 4, 6. I have 8 of them wrapped. This is what they look like when I'm wrapping them. And I have to put those in my sublimation oven, and then I will be putting them, I'll put them on Instagram so you can see them. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But since it is fall and Halloween, I want to get these glow in the dark ones in my shop as soon as I can. And since I've come back from my trip, I've been really busy just trying to catch up with, you know, life and business and all those things. And so I did have a project that I wanted to do with you guys today, but I just haven't had a chance to get to it at this moment in time. So I thought chatting would be a little bit easier for us to get through. But here's one of the sublimation designs that I printed out. I got these designs off of Creative Fabrica. And this one, I think I'm actually going to end up putting on a t-shirt. But I do use the Maker Flow sublimation paper. I love it. It's in my opinion, it's one of the best. Right up there with the HTV Ront papers. Also, I get all my mugs now from, or all my tumblers from Maker Flow. I just like the way they sublimate. They just sublimate so beautifully. The colors are very vibrant, and I haven't had an issue with them at all. So, and I can buy them by the case. I can buy all my supplies by the case, and I really, really love that. So, this is another one. These are the little sugar skulls. See if I can zoom in on those so you can see them. Those are sugar skulls. So that's going to be on a tumbler. Now, remember, these are glow in the dark. So glow in the dark is going to be really cool because it glows in the dark. And I also have these lids that I make for them. I didn't take a picture of one of them. I should have. I make these lids. They're just these lids. And I put glow in the dark ice cubes on here. And then the whole cup will glow. It's really cool. Really, really cool. So those. Let's see. Here's a bite me one. I'm curious to see what this one's going to look like. I have a feeling that's going to turn out really neat. And then I did some really cute ones. Some bougie. I'm not the biggest Halloween fan, but I know a lot of people are. So I have to keep that in mind. But bougie. So I printed 2 of those, and then I have this one, which is probably one of my absolute favorites, the little shopping ghost. She's so cute. So my problem is that I make all these cute tumblers, and then I want to keep them. I can't tell you how many I have. My husband's like, we really need to go through our cabinets and get rid of all these cups that you have because I have way too many. So that is what I have been working on a lot of, is the sublimation piece. I've made some t-shirts. My great nephew Henry turned 1, so I made a shirt for him and for his mom. He had a Talladega Nights birthday party, which was super cute. And then I also made him a little sippy cup that had the Talladega Nights on that as well. So if you're not familiar with Talladega Nights, it's car racing, and it's also a movie. So, so that's what I did. I helped out that way. I'm trying to think what else I've been doing. I've gotten into some resin, to using resin with the blue light, which I really like that a lot. I do it on these lids, like I was telling you, with the glow in the dark ice cubes that I have. And then I do have some more things that I would like to sublimate on. I will show you. I don't have any right now. I don't have any that are done right now, but I did make some for my daughter for her luggage. These luggage tags I sublimated on there. So I just took what she had on her cup and I cut it into thirds, and I made her 3 different luggage tags for her luggage. They turned out adorable. I should probably do a tutorial on that. Hey, comment down below in the comment section if you want me to do a tutorial on how I do sublimate on luggage tags. I can tell you right now, if you have a Cricut press or an HTV Ront press or any kind of a handheld press, anything like that, or if you have an actual heat press that's a clamshell or whatever, you can do this. You can do luggage tags. You can also do the t-shirts and stuff like that. Sublimation is a little bit different. You do need a special printer for it. And by special printer, I mean you either need a sublimation printer or you have to convert a printer into sublimation using sublimation ink. And a lot of people, they will convert the Epson Eco tanks, which is really a great way to start and to find out if you really want to do sublimation. So like I started out that way, and I love doing sublimation. So, and I use it for my shop all the time now. So I have turned that into another business adventure. But if you're looking to start a business and you want something that has relatively low cost to start up, that would be a good place to start. You can get sublimation tumblers off of Amazon. You can try a few. You have to give yourself a lot of grace, because the first couple of times you do it, it's not gonna come out perfect. Lord knows mine never came out perfect. So, but I just enjoyed doing it, so I did it for fun. And now I've gotten pretty good at it, so now I just sell my items, even though I was selling them before. But now it's a much better product. So anyway, so you can do that. You can usually pick up an Epson EcoTank printer for around, it depends on which one you get. You don't need the greatest one. You can get the cheapest bare bones one, and I think it's anywhere from $150 to $200. So I know it's still a pretty healthy chunk of change, but in the grand scheme of things, for starting a business or doing it just as a side hustle, it's really not that expensive, because you'll make that back when you sell. So yeah, that's what I have been doing with sublimation. I showed you the luggage tags. Then I also have these pins. So I'm going to be sublimating on these. Now these you have to do in an oven. So, and there's a whole bunch of stuff on sublimation ovens too, and convection ovens and all of that. I will not probably get into that, because I have a true sublimation oven that I got from MakerFlow, and that's what I use. So I didn't even want to mess with the whole convection oven thing. And I did purchase a sublimation printer. It is an Epson, but it's the F170, and I absolutely love it. So these are pins. So you would just create your wrap, whatever you want that to be. If you even wanted to do like a quilter's pin or something like that, you could print off like little quilt design with some little needles or whatever, and you would just wrap this around your pin, and then you would put it in your sublimation oven, and like I like to say, you would cook it, and then you pull it out and it's done, and it looks amazing. So again, let me know down below in the comment section if that's something that you're interested in seeing a tutorial on as well, because I think it would be a lot of fun. And then I also have some mechanical pencils. So you can sublimate on just about everything, but it has to have the sublimation coating on it in order for it to work. So yeah, there's that. I did make 2 makeup bags. I made one for my makeup brushes, and I made one for just my makeup. I used it by using vinyl, and this is the vinyl that I'm talking about. So this is the Nightmare Before Christmas vinyl. This is glow in the dark, which is really, really cool. I wish I could show it to you, but I gave it to my daughter. So, and then I also made one with this, which is Monsters Inc. And so I also gave that one to her because she really likes Monsters Inc. So I am going to be doing a tutorial on that, on just how I make the makeup bags, because those are really fast, easy, and they are so cute. And I really, really enjoy them. They're just kind of a really quick little project to do. And if you're looking to do something like that for, you know, Christmas gifts or any kind of gifts or birthday, whatever, those are really, really good. Those are really good things to give to a person. Is one of the bags that I did make. I kind of messed this one up a little bit, but hey, it doesn't matter. It's still perfectly usable. I cut the bottom too wide. So anyway, this is my Hello Kitty bag, also done with vinyl. And this is so cute. Let me show you the design on here. Isn't that so adorable? I just think it's so cute. And then I have these zippers, the zipper pulls. So that's the Hello Kitty one. And then that's her little bow. So I put double zippers on there. And then I used a colorful zipper that I think I purchased on, I either got the zipper on Amazon or Etsy, and I'm not sure which at this point because I ordered it a long time ago. But this is where I keep my bobbin maker stuff. So, like, sorry, the bias tape maker, not bobbin, bias tape. And so I keep those in here. I just think it works really well. I can store the cord in this, so I always know where it's at. It's a fully lined bag, fully lined with Hello Kitty, so it matches. It's so cute. It really is cute. So you could use it for anything, really. But this is what I'm using it to store. And so that's my bias tape maker holder. So anyway, so that is what I have been up to, and I hope that you have all been well. Oh, I wanted to tell you, I had all of my machines serviced. I had a gentleman come out to my home, and he serviced every single one of my machines for me. So they are all clean and beautiful and running great, and they're all ready for us to jump right in and start doing some more projects. So I hope that you are having a great week, and if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that little bell because you'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.